Understanding, waiting for approval. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in the English language, waiting for approval. This phrase pops up in various situations, from formal applications to everyday scenarios. Understanding its nuances can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind waiting for approval. Waiting for approval refers to the period during which a person or group awaits a decision or confirmation from an authority or higher entity. This phrase is often used in contexts where a formal acknowledgement, permission, or decision is required before proceeding. The key components here are waiting, which implies a pause or halt in action, and approval, which means the consent or agreement needed to move forward. Together, they highlight a temporary standstill, pending a green light from a relevant authority. 1. Job applications. After submitting a job application, you might be waiting for approval from the potential employer regarding the next steps in the hiring process. 2. Loan or credit requests. When applying for a loan or credit, the phrase indicates the period you spend waiting for the financial institution to approve your request. 3. Project proposals. In a workplace setting, proposing a new project often requires waiting for approval from higher-ups before initiation. 4. Online registrations or submissions. Whether it's for creating an account on a new platform or submitting a piece for publication, you're typically waiting for approval from the administrators or moderators. Understanding the phrase, waiting for approval, is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps set realistic expectations about the timeline of certain processes. Knowing you're in a phase of waiting for approval helps mitigate anxiety and impatience, as it clarifies that a delay is part of the normal procedure, not a sign of rejection or failure. Secondly, it's a key phrase for effective communication in professional settings, allowing you to accurately describe the status of various projects, applications, or requests. Waiting for approval is a phrase that captures the essence of anticipation and patience in the face of authority. It's a fundamental part of navigating both the professional world and many aspects of daily life. We hope this exploration has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English communication skills, making you a more effective and confident speaker and writer. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned, and happy learning!